Hello guys and welcome to Different Russia channel. Today I invite you to a small walking tour around our provincial town. It is called Fryazino, approximately 35 kilometers northeast of Moscow. So at the moment, guys, we are almost in the center of Fryazino. That is our a place of attraction. Alea. Hate this place, guys, because usually drunkards come here in the evening. Today, guys, I'm grumbling in a bad mood, in a grumbling mood. Everything is bad. That is usually Alex's favorite saying. Все плохо. What is bad? I'm on the way to the post office. That is, guys, the park where we usually walk with Sheffy. I'm, guys, on the way to the post office, but that is not our state post, Почта России. That is, guys, the private company. It is called SDEC. We have their office not far from my house, approximately 10 or maybe 15 minutes on foot. Of course, it is easier to go by car, but if to go by car, I can't film a vlog for you. About 12 o'clock, as you may see, a lot of people here. Lunchtime, guys. We have a few factories here, very big factories, and now is the time for the workers to go for lunch. As people save money, they usually go home, not to some cafes or to some canteens. So usually people take lunch boxes and eat at their office or go home, because a lot of workers live not far from the factory. Улица Новая. Новая means new, but that is, guys, not new. That is a very, very old street. We are almost in the center of Fryazino, the historical center. That is, guys, the advertisement. People try to advertise their skills as much as possible. So use all the ways they can afford. That is, guys, like a village inside the city. But here are not just cottages or houses. So that is, if I'm not mistaken, it is called duplex. The house belongs to two families. So they have their private entrance and the neighbors behind the wall. Usually they have very small pieces of land, so-called front yard and backyard. And as we are in the city, the tax, land tax and property tax is pretty high here. I don't know the exact sums of money, but usually approximately $300 American per year. So my friend has a village house in the city, and she pays for the land approximately 600 square meters, the piece of land. She pays about 20,000 rubles, that is approximately $300 American. As for this particular part, I don't know, guys, I didn't check. But I think it is approximately the same because my friend lives also in Moscow region. I try, guys, not to film people because usually people are against filming because I'm not in some tourist place, and here usually only locals, and when they see a person with a camera they are usually unhappy. That is how they get their post. Every house has such a box, and as you may see, that is for one owner and for another owner, but they have the same numbers. So the house number 12, and it is divided also in two parts. That is, guys, a dead end. That is why only locals drive here. No cars, almost a pedestrian street. And some people try to make their houses bigger, and they build such horrible constructions because there is no law what you may build or what you can't. Everyone is doing what he wants to do. So, guys, we escape with you from this so-called village, and almost behind the fence you will see the modern city. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hop. So, huge, really a huge building, if to compare with the village behind the fence. That is, guys, how Russians usually decorate their yachts, with old car tires. As, guys, I am today in a grumbling mood, I will say that I hate this. That looks horrible. I think it's better to put, well, I don't know, some other fence to protect the flowers from those people who cut the grass here. But these swans, these car tires, so it is horrible, guys, really horrible. The flowers are cheap. Usually Russians do not plant expensive flowers because of thieves. Over there, guys, is the same. This fence is better, but also not very nice, in my opinion. And the graffiti, guys. Some stupid people paint stupid pictures, you see. And we pay money to remove such paintings from the walls. The asphalt, guys. The road is horrible.